Book of Heaven, Volume 11, December 21st, 1914. To have company in his pains is the greatest relief for Jesus. I was in my usual state, and blessed Jesus, coming all afflicted, told me,
"My daughter, I can take the world no more. You relieve me for all. Let me palpitate in your heart, so that in feeling the heartbeats of all through your heart, sins may not reach me directly, but indirectly through your heart. Otherwise my justice will put out all the chastisements that have never occurred before."
And in the act of saying this, he identified his heart with mine and made me feel his heartbeat. But who can say what I could feel? Sins, like arrows, wounded that heart, and as I shared in it, Jesus would find relief. Then, feeling all identified with him, I seemed to be enclosing his intelligence, his hands, his feet, and all the rest, and I shared in all the offenses of each of the senses of creatures. But who can say how this was happening? Then Jesus added,
"To have company in my pains is the greatest relief for me. This is why my divine Father was not so inexorable after my incarnation, but milder, because he no longer received offenses directly, but indirectly, that is, through my humanity, which acted as a continuous shield for him. In the same way, I keep searching for souls who would place themselves between me and the creatures. Otherwise I will make of the world a heap of ruins."